What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy NikeLab coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the NikeLab collection shorts. Let's get into it. Now for starters, I purchased this piece in an XL. I would definitely say they run true to size, so I would say stick with your normal size. Now these are super dope. They're pretty much just a nylon NikeLab pair of shorts. As you guys can see, they have super long drawstrings, and they also have like a little clip right there, which is super dope. They also have two pockets on the side, and they're both zip pockets. On the inside, it's like a mesh, like a jersey material, and then on this side, it's more of the nylon, which looks super nice. And you can zip it in. And it's the same on this pocket as well. You can also see that there is a little Nike swoosh on the left. And it's embroidered in. And on the back, you also have a pocket, which is zipped in as well. As you guys look in the inside, you guys can see the tag. It has a NikeLab sideways swoosh tag. Other than that, there's not really much information on these shorts that I can give to you guys. They do kind of look like some swim trunks. I'm sure you guys can wear them in swim trunks, but they're just normal shorts. I see some pretty ridiculous prices. I think this colorway is super dope. Maybe that's what drove it up. And I think that the quality on it is super nice. Like, these feel very high quality, and I've worn these a ton of times and they've held up super great. I would definitely recommend this product. I'll drop the product number for you guys below. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be posting a ton of content on NikeLab and Nike Tech. Thanks again. I'm out.